Yeah, I think Erica and Michelle wrote this beautiful script, and I was just so happy to be part of it. And I think since our very first meeting, we just connected. And I think my job was just, to tell honestly the story and to be supportive of Erica and everybody making the movie. And I think being respectful as well, because not just the women that are in front of the camera, but also, the ancestors and all the stories and all the missing indigenous women. There was a lot of will to really be respectful telling the story. I think color palette for sure. I mean, the world around them, the nature and everything is just so important for these two women. And I think we also discussed a lot of how the camera had to move freely, and so that was the lighting design comes after that, because there was this idea of the camera being able to dance with the actors, so everything was kind of there to support that. I think it's just honestly, I don't know. I think it's just really about emotion, and that's how I connect with the scripts. And when the story feels honest and you can relate to it, even if you come from a completely different background and you can still relate to these characters, I think that's the secret, yeah.